When I was very young, my sister took me to a thrift store, and I just loved finding like these little oddities that I knew nobody would have. Now, I like to take antiques, anything true vintage, and improve upon it in doing what I call upcycle. Having a truck makes it so easy because I don't have to call a friend or rent a truck to go pick up stuff. I can just jet right over. Driving a truck, your blind spot's a little bigger, and so if you're trying to get over and there's a little car in your blind spot, it's nice to know that there's somebody there. When I'm driving a truck, I feel independent, I feel powerful, I feel safe. With a camera, I'm able to park in spaces that I otherwise wouldn't. Having safety features, especially in a bigger city, I do feel a lot safer and definitely eases my anxiety.